Hey, good morning, everybody. AJ here. It's day 2 down here in the Tampa area. I'm actually in Spring Hill right now to head over to Cornerstone Baptist Church, where we designed a system for them, had it shipped in like the beginning of December. So we're going to be getting over there, hooking up everything, doing some training, and modernizing their media ministry. So I'm packed up. I need to go to Lowe's and get some supplies, which is mainly a box of Cat 6 cable. Gonna do that and then head over to the church, and then we get to going. So let's go. All right, folks, we are here at Cornerstone Baptist Church. Yay! So we're gonna get inside, help them get everything wired up, do some training, and we go from there. All right, this is their current setup right now, and we're going to be putting in the ATEM Mini Extreme. There's already a projector up there, and we got a place where we're gonna put one of the cameras. One of them is gonna be back here for the center shot. Maybe use some of these for a static shot, but we're gonna see what else we can do. Very, very nice sanctuary. They also have video distribution through the TVs here, so I believe these were done, but we're gonna come by and test and make sure everything is working to their satisfaction. Very, very nice. So again, multiple classrooms with televisions here. It looks like cables might be there, but let's see. Is there another TV? Alright, another TV in here. Piano! Alright, folks, so we got our ATEM Mini Extreme. We have the ADA imaging, which we're going to use as our trash shot, our static shot. Got another IP controller, and we got 3 SMT AV 30X zoom cameras. They've already pulled HDMI cables here in the walls, so the idea is it's going to be one over here to catch the musicians, another one maybe around here, and then another one center here with the ADA imaging hanging under it for the shot, so it's going to be straight on. What we're going to do right now is set up everything temporarily to make sure we get everything working, and then we will go and put them in their final location, and then we go from there. Folks, we are making good progress. What we got so far is got the back one, and the ADA imaging camera is on top, so it's sharing that same mount. So let's go up here so y'all can see. Alright, so we got the camera here, but then the ADA imaging is right there on top to give a similar shot. So now all we got to do is I'm going to fish through the Cat 6 cable that's going to give it power and control, and we did get it linked up to the camera, the controller, so we were able to move that. So we had to order a PoE switch, which I thought I included in the order, which obviously I didn't. That should be here tomorrow, but we did test everything by plugging it up into the controller, and we were able to connect to it. So I need to go get another monitor that's going to be for the multi-view, pick that up locally while looking for some other stuff. So let me pull this cable through, which I already ran here, and then we're going to do that. All right, folks, we're making very good progress. As you can see, got this one in place, got the 2 in the back, and I'm getting ready to mount the other one on this side. Worst case scenario, I'm going to power these up, and I'm going to see if I can go to Best Buy, because I got to go get a monitor anyway, and to see if they have a PoE switch. If they do, I'll just buy that, and then we'll have anything in place, and then I'll just have Jim cancel the order for the one that we did. But doing very well. After this, we're going to hook up audio to the ATEM, get that configured, and we go from there. So I need to tie up all the extra here, and that's in the ceiling that goes in the kitchen. But I'm coming over here to measure so that we have the same height for the other camera over here. All right, folks, so long day. We had an issue. 2 of the HDMI cables that were pulled for those back, for whatever, got nicked when we were pulling them in the ceiling. But thankfully, we had 2 more cables. We replaced those, and obviously, you're seeing this is the back PTZ. We also have a wide shot. The PoE switch is going to be here tomorrow. We tested all of the cameras. We hooked up a power line to them, and they're all working. So we don't have an issue with those cables. And I'm just walking into each one of the rooms where the fiber HDMI cables are, and we're getting an image on all of these. But this is the cables that they replaced that I shipped to them at the end of November, and they replaced all of this, and they're really happy with those. That was 2 rooms. We go back here. We got this one right here. And similar to how we did the setup, the projector is going to be coming directly from the computer, which is also fed into the ATEM. So that's what you're seeing here, even though the camera is set right now for all the output from the ATEM. So the only way for the live stream and the people online to see the same thing would be when that button is switched. And I think I just turned the TV off in here, but this one shows the same thing. I just turned it off, but we ran all the cables down here. Couldn't have done it without everybody's assistance here. Well, it would have taken me way longer, so having some helping hands is so much appreciated. So like I said, we got everything in place. We got the audio. We've done a live stream test. And now it's just going to be training to go from live stream over OBS to doing all of the training and streaming directly through the ATEM. But we did a clap test. We did all of that stuff, and everything is performing excellently. And they love the image quality of what the cameras are showing. So, like I said, we just got to get the PoE switch in. We've already adjusted all the cameras, but we need to link them to the controller, and we're going to set a static IP on the controller as well as each camera, so that even if anything happens, we'll know exactly how to connect to each one. My feet are hurting, folks. Been on the feet all day, but really excited we got this stuff done. I forgot I need to get some D-clamps to clamp all the cables up under the desk to get them up off the floor. And yeah, really excited about helping another ministry and really cleaning up and helping their workflow and everything like that. So really excited about that. Thank you, Cornerstone Baptist Church. Really appreciate the opportunity to come down here and help y'all out. We're going to be doing some training tomorrow. I need to find out what time that is, but I'm about ready to get some groceries for my tummy. And I'm going to see if my internet in my hotel is fast enough, and maybe we can do a Q&A, because we were supposed to do one today, and I haven't done one for 2 weeks because I've been traveling. But we'll see what we can do later this afternoon, or it might be Saturday. But we also are going to be doing a roundtable on Sunday, because I'm still going to be here until Tuesday. And I have another, we're going on Monday to Bible Holiness Church of God in Christ in St. Petersburg, Florida. So we're going to be there at the bright early time at 8 a.m. So we're going to have a get up around like 6:30 to head down to make sure we're there on time. But yeah, let me pack my stuff up, and we'll be back for training, and we'll go from there.